windshield.
Okay, good.
Did you see how much water that was?
There was no occupant because this is like a flash flood.
Okay.
Are we not allowed to drive? Because look, the cops are under there too.
Well, they just don't want to get... Oh, look at the guy